When it comes to cookware, it's important to have the right tool for the job. To get the perfect sear on your steak, chicken, fish, or veggies, our stainless steel nonstick pans are ideal. These pans combine the amazing performance of stainless steel with the easy cooking and cleanup of nonstick. The nonstick mesh coating lets just enough stainless steel come through that you still get a great sear and fond. Fond is the caramelized bits left in the pan after you sear, and it's not something you want to wash away. It's packed with tons of flavor that you can make into delicious sauces. This cookware is so easy to use. You can use any utensils, including metal, and they won't chip or scratch the coating. You can even put them in the dishwasher. And if they weren't already easy enough to clean, we designed them without rivets, so there's no food buildup or rusting. We make our stainless steel nonstick pans with exceptional quality and attention to detail, and they come with our lifetime guarantee. They're tri-ply clad, which means they have an aluminum core between 2 layers of stainless steel. This helps the pans heat up quickly and evenly distributes heat for more even cooking. And you can use them on gas, electric, or induction cooktops. These pans each come with a glass lid with stainless steel trim, so you can watch the food as it cooks. And you can even put the lids in the oven. So if you're looking for everyday cookware that's easy to use with impressive results, stainless nonstick is for you.